Yo, Mavs versus Celtics. They booing Kyrie off rip. What the hell? I'm actually really hyped for this game, bro. Let's see how it goes. I obviously expect Celtics to win. They're different, but I'm hoping it's a good game. Reacted to the Cavs Pistons before this from halftime. Also, the Hornets Sixers still got probably two of the mid games out. Now we got this game. I know my Raptors take on the Warriors after this, but they want to watch this one first. Obviously, first NBA, that record's insane. Should Tatum be the MVP. When they are healthy, they are different, bro. They are full strength. Starting lineup, they just can't lose. It's actually insane. They booing Kyrie, damn, bro. Boston fans crazy, bro. Still booing right now is crazy. Okay, Hardaway. Hardaway's been playing nice. There you go, Hardaway. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. But yeah, man, Celtics been playing insane. They are the favorite right now. They are looking different, man. Should Tatum be the MVP? What are we thinking? Porzingis? Damn. Damn. Oh, they were Doncic. Oh, they probably... Luka will have a bucket, but yeah, Holiday probably still the best person to put on him, like, damn near in the whole league. Pressure their coach into it, even though when they know they're he's different, bro. He has earned that and proven that, but even with the green light, you can take questionable shots. Right. Okay. Getting a second opportunity for the Dallas Mavericks. Dallas can challenge one more time. Luka. Okay. Good shooters. The fact that they're in forefront, Holiday blocked. With 7 minutes to go is Lively with the block. Pretty nice highlight reel from Derek Lively so far in this game. Derek.
A great anchor for the team, saying he means so much to this team and organization, praising the work he's put in with Tyson Chandler and teammate Dwight Powell. I asked him about him to the team because it's his job to do all the dirty work, cleaning up anybody's mess. And he said, we have so much talent, and I'm just here to lift them up, guys.
For the Mavericks, it's clear as day. And what ends up happening? He starts the second half of his first game and has not looked back since. Tatum flips it around you that sometimes it's their turn. And Jason Tatum slowly building his way into this game.
Kyrie.
Irving gets that one.
Kyrie.
Against Boston since leaving 3 and 5, shot just 45% from the floor in those
Tatum.
games. On the attack.
And you're always a little bit concerned if you're playing against them about
is
this going to be the night where there's nothing we can do.
Porzingis is just having him is just crazy, bro. Down, sir. Okay, 12-point game. Come on, Mavs. Come on, Mavs. Back in it. I want to see Celtics lose once, bro. Damn. Kyrie. Come here.
The first chapter of a great highlight. Just could not finish it.
White. Tatum.
White, Tatum, 4-3. 7th assist for Derek White. The 19th for Boston as a team.
Kyrie, pull that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think offensively they're there. Defensively, there's still more work to build.
Luka. Good pass. Good pass. Damn.
PJ just getting his feet.
Okay, 4-point game. Tatum. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, I didn't shoot threes like that. I couldn't shoot threes at that rate.
PJ. Yes, sir. PJ Washington was a great pickup. Great pickup. Pass. White. Shot. Okay. Kyrie. Luka. Pass. Alright. Got a good game. Kyrie's still getting booed. Sheesh. PJ feeling it today. Damn. Kyrie. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ew. Okay. Brown. Yes, sir. Yes. Holiday just makes the right play every time, bro. He's really good at making the right play.
And his numbers were outstanding. I think Jason Tatum
Luka.
100%
Nice.
should be in the top of that list. As you said, let's add more leadership responsibility to him. And I thought that was amazing.
Zingy.
You want growth as a player, but also
Oh my goodness.
develop leaders.
And cutting the deficit to 2.
12-3 run. Sheesh. Uh-oh. Exum's getting minutes. He ain't played in a minute. He was nice in the before, but not now.
Immediately in response to
Kyrie. There you go. 24-13. Damn, Tatum took over. Kyrie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's having to work hard for it, but he is just nasty. He has 19. Okay, 9 for 20. Sheesh. Tatum. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This guy is disgusting. I don't know if I saw this at Duke, bro. And then they have this guy, like, he's honestly underrated, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So many amazing historical nuggets now that have started to bloom for this Boston team, Richard. As Doncic off one leg.
Okay.
The 86-87 Celtics, Bird with
Brown.
Parrish, Dennis Johnson, Danny
Pass.
Ainge. They averaged 95.
Okay. And now the Celtics got it just like that, bro. Wow, it's just a close game now. It's a blowout. Sheesh. Sheesh, bro.
It's incredible. It's a Mavs team that's been playing really well.
Sheesh.
Luka, last year's Celtics, who lost in the Eastern Conference Finals, and then 2 of the championship Warriors teams.
Who is this dude? 26. Huh? Tatum. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Damn. Okay.
And now you're seeing that top defense in the league.
Just like that. Just like that. I'm gone. Wow. Smoked him in the end.